We've got used to ice cream in winter. Now it's hoped we will get used to Irish being spoken in Dublin City. Murphy's Ice Cream is one of the businesses participating in the BÁC le Gaeilge initiative.
The staff can actually learn to speak Irish. We've offered Irish lessons for anyone who wants to take up on it. We've started using more marketing material in the shop in Irish. Just to create a bit of buzz and excitement and to make the Irish more accessible and fun to everybody.
The project is aimed at getting Dublin's Irish speakers to use the language.
Well, níos mó Gaeilge sna siúpaí ar na sráide agus ar fud na háite.
Bhí seasca sarong an sin a gom. Seasca, that's right.
There is concern about the future of the Irish language, but Conradh na Gaeilge says it is attracting interest from younger people now.
I don't think young people have the hang-ups of the past when it comes to the language. And if you look around the world, as the world gets smaller because we become more globalised and between travel and the internet, I think people are looking at what actually helps identify them as Irish, and the language is very much part of that.
The government and Dublin City Council will be providing funding of over €325,000 for the project. John Carrain, RT News, Dublin.